this is Cookie and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, we're gonna do an LinkyBox unboxing. I used some of the items, but that's okay. But first, we're gonna do the LinkyBox mug. But here's the box. I used the stickers already, but that's okay. So I got the LinkyBox magic mug first. It might look upside down to this, but it's the LinkyBox magic boxy mug. So here's the mug. Has Foxy on it. Do not scratch this, and this is made out of glass. See that? It's made out of glass. So if you drop this, it will break. But if you put hot water in this, it will color change. Like the back will color change to purple. And it will say LinkyBox. There's gonna be a part 2 to this. So yeah. And next one is this one. The Boxy figurine. So yeah. Here's the Boxy figurine. It says LinkyBox on the bottom. It will be upside down. So this is LinkyBox. And so this is Boxy. It's signed Boxy right there. It's Boxy right there, but it will be upside down. And I use this sticker. Next one is so this is a necklace without a chain and lanyard. This is a lanyard, and there's like a little hook on this. We can hook something onto this, and we can hook keychains to this, and wear it around our neck. So yeah. And this is the Foxy. This is the Foxy keychain. I'll take it out for you guys. It's hard to get this out. Tail. There we go. So this is made out of glass as well. This is made out of metal. See this? That's made out of metal. I just hit it against some wood. And this is metal. And the keychain is metal, and we can hang it up on the lanyard. You see this? You push it down and then it opens. Let me show you an example. See? Then you can wear it around your neck. Like this. See? It's around my neck. And here's the Foxy. Yeah. So these headphones keep falling off. I don't know why. But here you go. And my mommy is right beside me. And this came from the LinkyBox sticker. Right here. These are the stickers. I used all of them, so yeah. Except for one. LinkyBox. This is LinkyBox. So there's gonna be a part 2, and